The simple fact is that garbage bags are really convenient. But we can all agree that they can be difficult to manage. They never fit our bins as we need them to, which makes life difficult for most of us. That all changes now. Introducing Baggies, the world's first garbage bag holder that now finally makes bags work the way you've always wanted them to, and more. It is amazingly simple to use. Here's how it works. First, place the frame in your bin. Then, add your bag. After that, secure your bag with the provided fasteners. And that's it. Your bag is ready to use. From then on, just lift, drop, and shut. It's that easy. Lift, drop, and shut. It's that simple. When your bag reaches capacity, remove the fasteners, let it drop to the bottom of your bin, and seal your bag. This allows you to use your bin to its full potential and helps prevent injury caused by lifting heavy bags. You can then add new bags as needed. On collection day, remove and store your unit before taking your bin to the curb. Baggies works with various types and sizes of outdoor garbage bags. It also works with different sizes of outdoor bins, no matter the size. Baggies eliminates the mess and smell inside your bins, which attracts pests and rodents. It means your bin needs to be cleaned on a regular basis. Say hello to a better, cleaner bin. Baggies is compatible and works with products you're already using, and it comes in 3 sizes to suit your family's needs. It is versatile, tough, and built to last, offering you years of service. You can now firmly secure heavy bags at any occasion. From barbecues to parties, picnics, or just enjoying the outdoors, Baggies is an innovative product that makes disposing waste for you and your loved ones super easy. Now with Baggies, disposing garbage has never been easier.
I really like it because with his bad back, he doesn't have to lift heavy garbage bags, so I think it's perfect for us.
We use it everywhere. It's so helpful and easy to use. And really compact. I'll be gifting my parents a set for Christmas. They will love it.
So please become a member of the Baggies family. Baggies, making bags work better.